What if I told you you are not stuck with the person you have been? Your past doesn't have to decide your future, and change doesn't have to take years. Most of us live life on autopilot. We wake up, think the same thoughts, feel the same emotions, and make the same choices day after day. Then we wonder why nothing changes. But here is the truth: who you are, your thoughts, feelings, and actions create the life you are living. Think of life like this: the old way, let's call it the machine view, says everything is fixed, predictable, and only changes slowly over time. But the new way, the possibility view, says life is like a field of endless options, and you can choose which one you step into right now. The moment you focus on a possibility and feel it as real, you start moving toward it. The problem is, most of us are addicted to familiar emotions: stress, worry, self doubt. Our body gets so used to feeling a certain way, it runs the show. And before we know it, our body is in charge of our mind. We keep repeating the same patterns even if they don't serve us. Here is the first step: become aware. Notice your usual thoughts. Notice the emotions you keep playing on repeat. Then ask yourself, if I was already the person I wanted to be, how would I think? How would I feel? That's the version of you that's waiting in the field of possibilities. Sit quietly for a few minutes each day. Imagine your future self, the one who is already living your dream life. Feel what they feel: gratitude, joy, love, as if it's happening now. Your brain doesn't know the difference between imagining and experiencing. So you start wiring your mind and body for that new reality. Here is your challenge today. Notice one repetitive thought or emotion. Pause and ask, is this who I wanted to keep being? Practice feeling how your future self would feel instead. You are not a prisoner of your past. You are the creator of your future. The quantum you is already out there waiting for you to meet them. So, who will you choose to be today? If this spoke to you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's one habit you are ready to break. And stay tuned for next video where we talk about how to stop letting your environment control you.